If you're stepping into the role of a public information officer, or PIO, you are about to become the vital link between your organization and the public. Whether during a crisis, a community event, or a day-to-day update, your job is to deliver clear, accurate, and timely information. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the role of the PIO, the skills, responsibilities, and best practices every PIO needs to succeed. A public information officer is the official spokesperson for an agency, organization, or emergency response team. Your responsibilities include communicating accurate information to the public and media, building trust with your community, reducing rumors and misinformation, supporting incident commanders during emergencies. In short, you are the face and voice of your organization. PIO training is usually structured around a few essential areas: media relations, crafting press releases, holding press briefings, and answering tough questions; crisis communication, delivering urgent updates under pressure, especially during emergencies; message development, creating clear, consistent talking points that align with leadership goals; social media management, monitoring platforms, engaging the community, and fighting misinformation; ethics and transparency, ensuring honesty, credibility, and trust in every message you share. One of the most critical functions of a PIO is during a crisis or disaster. You'll often operate within the Incident Command System, or ICS. That means reporting directly to the incident commander, coordinating with other agencies to deliver unified messaging, preparing media briefings and situation reports, making sure the public has the information they need to stay safe. To succeed, PIOs rely on a few essential tools: a reliable media contact list, templates for press releases and situation updates, social media monitoring software, a joint information center when working with multiple agencies. Here are some best practices every PIO should remember. Be first, be right, be credible. Speed matters, but accuracy comes first. Keep it simple. Use plain language, avoid jargon. Stay calm under pressure. Your tone influences public confidence. Practice, rehearse interviews and briefings, build relationships early, connect with local journalists and community leaders before a crisis hits. Being a public information officer is more than just delivering news. It's about protecting trust, saving lives, and keeping communities informed. If you're training for this role, remember, clarity, credibility, and compassion are your greatest tools. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the description for additional resources and training links. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this tutorial with others preparing for the PIO role.